Hi folks, Frank here again. Just like to show you what we've got here today. Wonderful sight, for me at least. This is Blizzard. Oh crap, start with a V, I forgot the name. Vulcan? I don't remember. Anyway, Vulcan. Start with a V anyway. It is March, what is it, 12th? 12th, 13th, and it's roughly 28 degrees, 50-mile-an-hour winds, and it is snowing and blowing. And it may not look like it on this video, but it is actually kind of difficult to see the snow, or not the snow, but a couple houses down there. I don't know, it's kind of hard after you see that last house there. Then you really can't see. It gets hard to see. So, and it wasn't really doing much until last hour or so, and here comes a truck. But I'd just like to show you folks what we're dealing with here in northern Ohio. They're calling 7 inches up to a foot. So hopefully I'll get to use my snowblower one last time. And if I do that, I'll take a quick video from inside the garage, because I don't want to ruin the camera, because I don't think it'd be able to stand up on a tripod because it's so windy. So anyway, and I hear snow blowers, but I can't see anything past that house right there. I can't see anything past that. See, on the camera it gets a little bit foggy here, but I don't know, you can't really see anything past that house really, so. And in person, you definitely can't see that house. So, anyway, like I was saying, they're calling up to a foot of snow, 50-mile-an-hour winds, feels like about 15 degrees. As the day goes on, it's going to be getting worse and worse. They said snow-wise and temperature-wise. And last time I checked, this was just this morning I checked, we only had 2 inches, so I thought this was a bunch of bogus, but now it's coming down. It's been coming down like this for about an hour or so, so it's really packing the punch. So like I said, it's March 15th. Yesterday was 63 degrees, and today it's 28. And then wind chill factor for tonight around 5 p.m. is about 10 below. So I'd just like to show you what we have here. So, like I said, I'll give you guys an update on weather, possibly if I go out there and snowblow sometime. So, anyway, and all this ice that you see here on the window, that's from earlier in the morning and last night, because first it started out as rain, and then it started freezing rain and wintry mix, and then it finally started to snow, and now this is what it looks like. I'm not sure how well the video is going to do it justice, but across there behind those houses is a forest, and you can maybe see that tree. That's the start of the forest there. But other than that, you can't see anything. It's legitly a blizzard. This is the first blizzard of the season, and I've experienced a blizzard twice in my life, but when I was younger, so I don't quite remember. But this is pretty darn blizzardy, because it's blowing and it's snowing, and you can't really see anything. So anyway, and like I said, there's snow blowers and plow trucks. You can hear them, but you can't see them. Even sometimes it's hard to see them because it's snowing so hard. So alright guys, well, I just thought I'd show you the blizzard of 2014, March 13th, 12th, 13, something like that. So like I said, I'll maybe possibly give you guys an update when I go out there and snow blow. I don't know how well the quality is going to be since it's blowing and snowing so good. But I'll have someone film it in the garage while I'm out there. So, anyway, and actually, we had about 2 feet of snow on the ground about 2 weeks ago, and then all of a sudden it just warmed up. And now we've got a blizzard again. So, alright guys, this is Frank, and I'll see you on the next video. March 2014. March 12th. Dang it, whatever. 12 or 13. Blizzard name escapes me, but it starts with a V, and I'll put it into the subject heading. So, alright, well, over and out. See you guys later.